they're not telling you the truth because you are the shiniest object in the universe. So I just want to leave you with this thought about truth, is that the amount of willingness you are towards the truth, the amount of potential there is to gain. The paradoxical thing is truth is difficult and truth is coming from within. And people will deny the truth. People will tell you all sorts of things just to get you to adopt their worldview. But I'm saying that you shouldn't listen to me. You should find your own truth. And I'm not, it's the only fucking path that works. If anyone is trying to sell you something, trying to make something mystical or magical outside of you, and not empowering you from within, they're not telling you the truth. Because you are the shiniest object in the universe, but you have to fucking realize that. You have to fucking take that into your account, into your own hands, take accountability,